The Reclining Wheelchair Backrest 18x33H18WX 33 hours is a versatile and practical solution for those in need of a reclining wheelchair. With its easy installation process, this backrest can economically convert any wheelchair into a comfortable recliner. Providing up to 35 degrees of tilt, it allows users to adjust their seating position for optimal comfort. Covered in durable wipe-clean vinyl, this backrest can be easily maintained and even power washed along with the wheelchair. Available in 3 different heights: 19, 24, 33 for 16 and 18 wheelchairs. This backrest offers a customizable option for users of varying needs. Whether for short-term or long-term use, the Reclining Wheelchair Backrest 18x33H18WX 33H is a practical and convenient addition to any wheelchair.